Okay, I had to do a part 2 here. I wasn't sure if I was going to squeeze this in to the other video, so forgive me, but no big deal. Part 2, sigma notation. When you see this Greek symbol, you're going to know it's a Greek symbol equivalent to the letter S, and in this situation, S represents the sum. So this really has not a whole lot to do with exponential notation, but that's the way this pre-calc book rolls. Just bang, 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 new concepts all the time. So, let's tackle an easy one, and let's tackle a very difficult one that's going to require our calculator. So let's just make sense of it, and then you'll understand why you need a calculator for this. So, you got this symbol, you got a number down here. This letter could be I, J, K, X, but whatever this letter is down here, that equation has to have that letter in it. Because it's telling you plug in n is 1, n is 2, n is 3, 4, 5, because that's telling you how high to go. So they're all whole numbers between that number and that number. Plug them in. So f of 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2, that's 4 plus 1 is 5. 3, 6 plus 1 is 7. You can see the pattern. And then remember what this symbol represents, the letter S, sum. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 15, 24, 35. And that's the answer to this math problem. Now, what in the world? We're going to have to plug in n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to 100? I don't think so. That's where your calculator is going to come in handy. Now, I don't know how this is showing up, but on this calculator, there's a green button called alpha. And then if you hit window, you get all these options, and the second one down is summation. I'm going to select that, and now it gives me this symbol, and then it's got this little blinky blink right there. So I'm going to type in, I'll just use X, because that's easy to find on my calculator. Doesn't really matter what you have. And then it takes you over to what number to plug in. And I'm going to plug in a 1. And then I hit the cursor up. And I'm going to type in 100. And I'm going to hit the cursor to the right. I'm going to type this equation in, 3x. I couldn't find the letter N on my calculator, so I'm using X. Then I do a big old thing by hitting the button, and it tells me it's 15150. 15,150. Voila! Not too bad. That's it, you guys.